When I was in secondary school, my mom used to tell me to come and stay with Igbo people. We used to do ourselves. You might buy cow of 450, then you will expect to sell it up to 600. If you want to buy cow, you can patronize me. It's a family business, yeah.
When it comes to business and entrepreneurship, it is not only men that make it big. Over the years, the women have proven that they can do it even better because they have said that what men can do, they can do better, and they are putting it into actions and getting results. Today, we are bringing you a very young entrepreneur that is moving mountains, doing great things in business, especially in the kind of business that has been dominated by men for several decades. This young girl has defied all odds, faced so many challenges, but yet she has not given up on her business.
Welcome to another episode. Today I'm inside the market in Nnewi, Anambra State, and we have come to bring this entrepreneur, this very young entrepreneur, to your notice. She's into business and she's into cow business.
Yes.
You can imagine, as young as she is, she's doing so many amazing things in cow dealing business.
Welcome.
Could you tell us your name, please?
Okay, my name is Kosisochukwu.
Kosisochukwu?
Yes.
Nice, you're doing great.
Kosisochukwu.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So just tell us about your business. Tell us what you do.
Okay, I'm a butcher. I deal on cow sharing. I sell cow in many occasions. If you want to buy cow, you can patronize me. I do sell in full. I do sell anyhow you want it. Okay. I do sell it.
You retail?
Yes.
You say wholesale? You also sell live cow?
Yes, live cow, yes.
Wow, so where is your ranch?
Is at the back.
At the back?
North, yes.
So you're going to take us there?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice, that's nice. So how has it been going for you?
God has been faithful. That's right? It, yes.
That's nice.
God has been faithful. Everything is moving very well.
Wow.
And I'm a student in Federal Polytechnic Oko, final year student.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then how do you combine your school with your business? How do you manage to cope?
Okay, I used to stay here whenever we have break. I used to sell here. That's it. To help myself in school and other things. That's it.
Okay, you train yourself in school?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. That's so hardworking of you.
Yes.
At this very young age.
Yes.
Can we know how old you are?
I'm 24 years.
Oh wow, quite yes. Young and doing exploits.
Yes.
That's quite commendable.
Yes.
And it's an inspiration to girls out there. Yes. There's nothing you cannot do. Before now, people would think that this is a business just for men. But you can now see what's happening.
Yes.
Women are now taking over. Even as young as she is, she's doing wonderful things in this business.
Yes.
So it's an inspiration.
Yes.
Right now, she's taking us to her cow ranch, where the big cows are, for those that want to buy live cow. So we're going to see with our two eyes the sizes of cows that she has and their prices.
So, Kosisochukwu, when did you start this business?
Okay, when I was in secondary school, my mom used to tell me to come and stay with my sister, my elder sister.
Yes.
Then that's how I learned it from my elder sister.
Wow. So it's more like a family business.
Yes, it's a family business, yeah.
Wow, wow.
It's a family business.
So your mom, is she still in the business?
Yes, she's still in the business, but she don't usually go to market. I'm the one controlling it now. So
you're now the one controlling the business?
Yes, yes.
So you finally hijack the business from your mom?
Yeah.
Wow,
yes,
you're a superwoman. Oh.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're a superwoman. Oh. Like,
yes.
It's so amazing.
Yes.
It's so amazing. I commend you for what you do. In this time that many girls out there are complaining that there is no job, this and that, and you are doing all this, and you are still a student.
Yes.
That's quite commendable.
Yes.
That's quite commendable. So this is your ranch now.
Yes.
Wow. A big woman you be. All these things now are your cow.
Only the one at the middle.
Okay,
Not
the one at the middle.
everyone, yes.
It doesn't mean the one at the middle. Can't you see how many cows that are there?
Yes.
Even
yes.
if I have one now, I don't know what it means for me.
That's
Wow, that's impressive. One cow now. How much for one cow now?
It depends on the size. That is, we have there is from 350, 400, 450 to 600,000. That is
Wow.
any size of cow you need.
Okay.
We have it.
You say that the prices depend on the size.
Yes, the size you need. But we usually deal on the big ones. That's it.
The big ones.
Yes.
Okay, your cheapest cow now is like how much?
400, 450, 500. Yes.
One, just one.
Yes.
I used to know a time when you can use like 2K, 200K to buy a very big cow like that.
Yes.
So the economy also affected the whole stuff.
It affected it now. Before, we used to bring down one cow from the north, 15,000, 20,000, 10,000. But now, per cow, 45,000, 47,000.
The logistics.
To bring it, yes, to bring it down.
Just one cow.
Yes.
And
when you bought a cow, let me just say from there, the cost of it might be, let me say 450. Then you put the expense and the loading, everything.
Everything.
Yes, before it come down to this place,
everything will escalate.
Yes.
That's quite Nigerian economy. Everything has crashed.
That's it.
We're hoping for the best. We're hoping for the best. But as the economy is like this now, do you still? I hope customers are they still turning up?
Yes, customers are turning up. Let me just say when you bought something of, let me just say 450, then after the expenses and other things, if you have like, let me say 5,000 naira on top or 10,000 just after the expenses, then you can use the rest. But sometimes now, you know, Igbo people, we used to do ourselves. You might buy cow of 450, then you will expect to sell it up to 600.
To have so many gain
in it. That's the time you might buy 2 cow or 3 cow. You will sell it more than a month.
More than a month.
Then you don't have enough customers.
Instead of like reducing the price, just adding small gain to have more turn up.
Yes,
that's one of the things that we need to know in business. It's not always like about making huge profit from just one sale. It's the turn up that matters. So I think Kosisochukwu has given this business advice to you guys now. And if you take it, it will be valuable to you.
Yes.
So you were talking about cow sharing.
Yes.
So how do you guys do that one?
Okay, it depends on how many people that need meat. Let me just say, we have the big ones. Let me say 500,000 naira cow, but it's very big. We can share it among 20 people or 15 people. It depends on the slots, how many people that need it. There will not be much expenses. If you pay that amount, if you come that day, you pick your own slots and go. Everything, they will kill the cow, they will roast the back, everything, they will share everything together. That's the only money you will pay, is the money that they share. Within that is the cow. Let me just say, if you buy like 600,000 naira old cow, big one, if we are going to share it 20 people, let me just say it will be 30,000 each person. But that's the only money you will pay. Just if you come, you see the cow. If you guys agree, then they will kill it and share it among everybody. Nobody will collect any dime from you after paying that 30,000 naira. You will not pay any other money.
Wow, you must have you have really mastered this business over this years. You are just breaking down everything.
Yes, and maybe everybody will be happy. That's it.
Maybe one of these days I will just come and learn cow business from you now. Because the way you are sounding, you are now a professional.
No problem.
You've mastered it all.
You are welcome anytime.
Wow, so Kosisochukwu, we are happy to meet you today.
You're welcome.
Because it's people like you that inspire the girls out there. Everyone out there, actually, especially the girl child, the girls out there. So you guys have heard from Kosisochukwu how she's been running her cow business, you know, from family business. Now she's now in control. She's now in charge. So you can imagine a young girl doing that. So this is an inspiration. All the girls out there, you don't have any excuse. You know, you can be whatever you want to be. Since Kosisochukwu can do it at this young age, you can do it. You can do it. So there are businesses, there are opportunities out there. Just for you to take your time. Take your time and, you know, fix yourself somewhere, and before you know it, the sky will be your starting point.
Yes.
So thank you so much for having us
Thank
today.
you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, for this your ranch now, do you normally enter inside?
Yes, I do normally enter inside with, yes. If I want to touch the cow, I'll touch the tail, then the cow will stand up.
And they will not attack you?
They will not attack me, but sometimes if they are stubborn ones, you can go inside with those people that used to help us. We have job people.
Okay, is it like the headsmen?
No, not the headsmen. There is some guys, they used to work.
Okay.
That is, they used to butcher the cow. That's it.
So what if I enter now? What's going to happen if I enter?
Nothing will happen to you now. If you take courage, you enter. And so your courage.
So this one is even coming, I'm afraid. Now we won't enter.
Someone is inside now. The customer is inside, checking the size of cow to buy.
Okay, he's a customer.
Yes.
And he's this confident, staying inside there.
Yes, he's choosing the one to buy.
Maybe he must have been used to cows now.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. I mean, I'm not used to cows.
Yes.
So I don't want stories that touch the heart.
He's a busher too.
Okay, okay, no wonder.
If he buy, he will go and kill it. That's it.
No wonder.